ka surjong phi ka thong jangi.
Ko all sin ho jong ka Shillong kala long ka jaka pedeng jong ka tho katar namar ka jingalang jong ka jing pule jing ya tho bat ka jing ya thau ka ba itanat bala Khring ya kinong pule na baro ki kirta hakani ka fair lapan I ya ki kot pule ki jing ya tho na ka benta ki jing ya khun examine ki novel ki kot ki khna bat ki jing tho jong ki thau kinong punya ki laong ba ki jing thmu ka long ban kentio ya ka Kolshor Pule Kot pat ban ailat ban yo ki kot ki babha hakador kabala ban yo
the way I think a lot, and yeah, I would say like almost every influential person, like every one of them they read books. Every one of them they make a habit of reading books. So just gaming and spending time only in entertainment will not develop you in any way. So having a book to read and having your mindset uh, uh, mindset, making it broad. So I think that will help in the way that people will be surprised. Yeah. So I would suggest everyone, yeah, wherever, whenever you have time, to take a book and to have just even a little bit, just one chapter per day, one pages per day. Even that will help you in many ways. Huh? The way you live your world, the way you think about life. So especially for me, like how I live my life now is it has books have a lot of influence on me. So in that way, I would encourage everyone, yeah, to take a book and maybe read some. You will help them a lot. Yeah.
मेरा नाम आमिर जैन है.
And so regarding the books, यहाँ पे आपने ये जो the fair लगाया है, so what kind of response are you expecting? And secondly, what is your motive behind it?
Excuse me.
Different when it comes to I mean, if you have to compare between reading and actually watching movies, right? So all these books I've taken up also, they're all they have movies that are based on these books, but then I feel reading it opens up your imagination and it lets you really go deeper into reading compared to watching a movie. You can just forget about that movie later, no? Yeah.
In today's world, children are greatly distracted with the different kind of social media gadgets and things. So I think as parents, they should take the responsibility of teaching children. And here at this exhibition, I don't know who it is organized by, but they have some very good collection of children's books. I have two grandchildren, so I'm just coming here to pick up some books for them. There are activities also which will engage the children, and I think it starts at home. So parents should come here, as young parents come take books, activity gadgets, and give it to the children, and avoid them watching TV or tablet or phone when they eat. Read. I think reading is very important, and encourage the children to read as well. Give them good books for reading, so that they develop their knowledge, their skills, and also they are more